Hey there! Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs or anyone interested in starting a business. We're talking about starting a factory with just one machine. Starting a factory with just one machine might sound unconventional, but it's a practical and cost-effective way to enter the world of manufacturing. Whether you're passionate about technology, food, or crafts, there's a factory you can start with just a single key piece of equipment. So what factories can you start with only one machine? Let's dive into some exciting examples.
Number 1, 3D printing service. First up, we have 3D printing services with just one 3D printer. You can offer a range of services from prototyping to customized product manufacturing. 3D printing opens up endless possibilities, from creating prototypes for inventors to producing unique gifts and personalized items. All you need is a reliable 3D printer and your creativity. One of the key advantages of starting a 3D printing service with just one machine is the low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that require expensive machinery and large-scale production facilities, all you need is a single 3D printer and a computer to get started. Number 2, CNC machining. Next, we have CNC machining. With a computer numerical control machine, you can manufacture precise parts for various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and electronics. CNC machines are incredibly versatile and can handle a wide range of materials, from metals to plastics. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or just getting started, CNC machining offers endless opportunities for innovation. You don't need a massive factory floor to get started with CNC machining. In fact, many successful CNC machining businesses began in small workshops or even garages, equipped with just one machine and a vision for success. Number 3, Woodworking Shop. Starting a woodworking shop with just one machine offers a plethora of possibilities for creative expression and entrepreneurial success. Whether you're crafting furniture, carving decorative pieces, or building custom cabinetry, a single woodworking machine can serve as the cornerstone of your budding enterprise. Woodworking is a timeless craft that allows you to unleash your creativity while producing high-quality handmade products. With dedication and a single woodworking machine, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. And remember, in the world of woodworking, the only limit is your imagination. So pick up your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's make some sawdust. Number 4, small-scale food processing. For those with a knack for culinary arts, small-scale food processing is an excellent option. With just one machine, such as a commercial mixer or a food processor, you can start producing delicious baked goods, sauces, and snacks. And the best part? You don't need a large-scale operation to make a big impact. With a small-scale food processing machine and a commitment to quality, you can start small and grow at your own pace. Whether you're selling your products at farmers markets, local shops, or online, the demand for delicious, handcrafted food is always on the rise. But it's not just about the end product. Small-scale food processing allows you to express your creativity, share your passion for food, and connect with customers on a deeper level. Whether you're baking a loaf of bread or simmering a pot of sauce, each creation is infused with love and care. Number 5, textile production. If fashion is your passion. Starting a textile production business with a single sewing machine is a great way to break into the industry. Whether it's garment manufacturing or tailoring services, a sewing machine is all you need to get started. But textile production is about more than just fashion. It's about creativity, craftsmanship, and connection. Whether you're designing clothing for everyday wear or special occasions, each piece you create has the power to make someone feel confident, beautiful, and empowered. Textile production offers endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. From designing your own clothing line to offering custom tailoring services, starting with just one sewing machine can lead to a successful and fulfilling career in fashion. Number 6. Jewelry making. Now let's explore jewelry making. Jewelry making isn't just about creating accessories. It's about telling stories, capturing moments, and expressing emotions through wearable art. And with a single machine, a laser cutter, a milling machine, or even a 3D printer, you can embark on this mesmerizing journey right from your own workshop. Imagine transforming raw materials into stunning pieces of wearable art from your own workshop. With a jewelry making machine, the possibilities are endless. From designing patterns to setting gemstones, every step requires skill and attention to detail. With one machine, you can bring your creative visions to life. Whether classic or contemporary, jewelry making lets you express individuality with passion and dedication. You can turn your love for jewelry into a thriving business. So unleash your creativity and let's make some magic together. Number 7. Beverage production. With just one machine, a small-scale bottling machine, or a beverage mixer, you can embark on a flavorful journey that tantalizes taste buds and satisfies cravings. Beverages aren't just drinks. They're experiences encapsulated in every sip. Whether it's the refreshing burst of citrus from a freshly squeezed juice or the invigorating kick of caffeine from an energy drink, each beverage tells a story and evokes emotions in its consumers. And with a single machine in your arsenal, you have the power to craft these sensory experiences from start to finish. From mixing ingredients to bottling the final product, every step of the beverage production process is a symphony of precision and ingenuity. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your carefully curated recipes come to life, with each bottle bearing your brand's signature flavor profile and aesthetic appeal. With your trusty machine at the helm, you can turn your passion for beverages into a lucrative business venture or a beloved local brand. Whether you're drawn to the natural sweetness of fruit juices, the effervescence of carbonated sodas, or the functional benefits of sports and energy drinks, the beverage industry offers a diverse array of opportunities for innovation and experimentation. And the best part? You don't need a sprawling factory or a fleet of machines to get started. With just one machine and a dash of creativity, you can produce small batches of artisanal beverages that captivate consumers and leave them craving for more. So whether you're a seasoned mixologist looking to launch your own brand, or an amateur enthusiast eager to share your favorite recipes with the world, don't underestimate the power of that one machine in your production line. It's not just a piece of equipment, it's a catalyst for innovation and a gateway to a world of refreshing possibilities. So, here's to the art of beverage production, where every bottle tells a story and every sip ignites the senses. Cheers to creativity, cheers to craftsmanship, and cheers to the endless flavors waiting to be discovered. Number 8. Soap and cosmetics manufacturing. For those passionate about skincare and beauty, starting a soap and cosmetics manufacturing business is an excellent option. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your carefully crafted formula transform into beautiful bars of soap, decadent creams, and aromatic bath bombs, with your trusty machine guiding the way. You can turn your passion for skincare and beauty into a thriving business or a beloved brand. With a soap-making machine or a cosmetic mixer, you can produce a wide range of products, from luxurious soaps to rejuvenating lotions. Soap and cosmetics manufacturing allows you to create products that enhance beauty and promote self-care. With just one machine and a passion for natural ingredients, you can develop your own line of skincare products that customers will love. Number 9. Printing press. If you have a knack for design and a love for print media, starting a printing press is an excellent option. With just one printing press, you can produce a wide range of printed materials, from business cards to flyers and brochures. Printing presses play a crucial role in the marketing and advertising industry, helping businesses communicate their message effectively. With just one machine and a creative vision, you can help businesses stand out and make a lasting impression. Number 10. Plastic recycling. Last but not least, we have plastic recycling. With a plastic shredder or an extrusion machine, You can start a small-scale plastic recycling business, processing plastic waste into raw materials for manufacturing. Plastic recycling is not only environmentally friendly, but also economically viable. With just one machine and a commitment to sustainability, you can turn plastic waste into valuable resources and make a positive impact on the planet. And there you have it, folks. 10 examples of factories you can start with just one machine. Whether you're passionate about technology, food, or crafts, there's a factory out there waiting for you to bring it to life. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.